Hello there. As you get older, one of the major concerns which older people tend to have is an excessive growth of nostril hair, which you can see I have problems with. Now I have perfected a very efficient solution to getting rid of nostril hair, and I'd just like to share that with people who are similarly affected. First of all, I'd like to show you the equipment you would need. If you're a lady, for example, you'll need a small pair of pliers, just small. If you're a male, then a larger pair of pliers. You will need a saucer with some cotton wool and some eye drops, and of course a mirror to see what you're doing, of course. So I'll just commence and show you the technique. Just look into the mirror, get your pliers, clip the pliers onto the nostril hair and count to 3 and pull sharply. 1, 2, 3. You can see that was quite easy, a little painful, but not too bad. Put the nostril hair onto the saucer. Second nostril, again, pliers. Try and get all of them. And, oh, yes, and there it is again. And you can see now I have 2 nostrils completely free of nostril hair. My eyes are watering, so the eye drops. A little bit painful, and then finish off with buds of cotton wool. Give the nostril a good clean. Feel better already, and I hope that helps you with your own nostril hair. Thank you.